AK-66, make sure that there's no leaking gas tank. What do you guys think of these youth drivers? All right, it looks like the AK-66 has a broken gas tank. Loader's going to come in and move.
There was one.
Loader's going to come in and pull this one car out of the ring. I don't know if you guys can smell the fuel, but we sure can. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of info about some of these drivers. Starting with Mick Clark, walking right over towards me. Mick Clark ran in Clinton this year. And Mick, what did you do when you were in Clinton?
I got my hand caught in the steering wheel and broke it.
Mick broke his hand in the steering wheel in Clinton this year in May. And what are you doing back in the car? What did you tell us the reason you're back in the car?
The doctor's not here to tell me no.
So Mick, he healed up. Apparently it's the third time he's broke his wrist, so he's fine apparently. That's McCallan O'Hara. McCallan, the 1221 Kingston Taylor, the 1128 of Emmett Kirk, and the 18.5 of Kyle Eidhoven. They are all going to represent Canada at the Youth Nationals in October. Nominated to go down and represent Impact Motorsports in Canada at the Youth Nationals. Now, Kingston had a passenger in his car. His name's Ryan. Ryan is also one of the youth that are nominated to head down, so Ryan will be there as well. It looks like we have 3 cars remaining. The 18.5, the 18.5, no, I'm just kidding. The 15, the 18.5, and the 527. Those are the 3 cars remaining. The 18.5 and the 15 being reminded that they do have to hit each other because they are best friends. However, McCallan over there, this is technically her little brother, the 18.5. So he's out there with his best friend and his sister. I don't know which one he's going to pick. She's over there saying, I'm going to slay, I don't need those boys. Reminding both drivers that he's their favorite so that they don't pick on him. Just a reminder that you guys hanging out over from the stands, please sit down. All right, we're getting our final block put back in place, and we're going to head out. We're going to get these last 3 cars. Now, just so you guys know, the 18.5, this is Kyle. You might have heard us say Crashing for Kids Cancer. All 3 of these cars are represented by Crashing for Kids Cancer. Crashing for Kids Cancer is a profit organization that we donate to. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that in a second, but let's go. Let's give them a countdown from 3, 2, 1, green flag. Putting Grayson Waller back into the corner. Protecting himself. bringing our cars. Old school full size. We're up next. Old school full size. Grab your cars. Grab your helmets. All right, we are going to get our skid steer out of the way, and then we